In our text in InDesign, there is some hidden characters that we can't see if we don't use a function called show hidden characters. And I've just turned on this function so we can see it here. And these characters can be spaces, like the spaces between the words right here. It can also be line breaks, as an example. You can see we have a soft line break right here. And it can also be white spaces. We can see we have a character which is a white space right here. That is just some examples on characters that we can't see normally. So your text probably looks like this. You can't see these hidden characters, and therefore we want to turn on this show hidden characters function. And that is actually really simple to do. All you have to do is just go over to the toolbar again and choose the view options. From here you can see some different options, and we want to go down to the bottom where it says hidden characters. You can also turn on and off this option by using the keyboard shortcut Option Command I. We can just try to use the shortcut right here. And now it's off and now it's on. So yeah, this is a really useful tool when you're working with text, and especially if you're working in a large document with a lot of text.